Okay, this one here, starting off with amplitude. Once again, amplitude is the wave height. There's not been a number here we've had this far, so the amplitude is what? 1. It's still 1, right? And the first thing I need to find then is the period, or I don't know, where's cosine start at? 1. Cosine starts at 1, and normal period is 2 pi. But once again, we need to find what the period's supposed to be. So here's what we're going to do. We take the period, we take 2 pi, and we divide it by this. Now this is the same as 1/2 multiplied by 1/2. Everybody see this? It's going to happen on your test. Now, you can do this. Take 2 pi and you divide by 1/2. How do you divide fractions? You keep the first one, and then you got to what? Gotta get here, get my music going. Little Devo. You gotta what? Instead of whip it, we're gonna flip it. Flip real good, right? Flip it. There we go. We're gonna flip it. Flip the second one. Got a little Devo there. So that's why instead of 1 over 2, it's what? 2 over what? 1. And basically this is 2 pi over 1. So 2 over 2, 2 times 2 is gonna be what? 4. So what that means is it's gonna stretch this dot from what? 2 pi out to what? 4 pi. So it's not gonna repeat till there. And just like before, it starts here, has to finish there. So it'll be at its, this is the high points, so its low point's going to be halfway between. What's halfway between 4 pi and 0 would be, what's halfway between 4 and 0? So it's going to be at 2 pi, so my low spot's going to be there at 2 pi. And then it's going to cross 0 halfway between here. If I have 2 pi here, I'm going to have a negative 2 pi out there for the other one. And it's going to cross halfway between 0 on those at pi, and so my graph's just going to look like that. It's going to be really stretched out. Now this graph's not done. Why is it not done? Because I still have to shift it what? Move it what? Up what? You got to move it up 1, right? So I still got to move it up 1. So once again, I like this here. We got to what? Move it, move it. Move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. There we go. So we'll move it. And we're going to move it up 1. So the 1 became a 2. Now I'm doing that. Once again, the domain, was the domain changed any? The domain's still what? All real numbers. But now what's the lowest y point for the range? It's at 0. And what's the high point?
2.
2. So the range is now 0, 2. So that's how we did that one right there. Okay, we can cut that. You know.